So today we are going to drive Renault Scenic. So stay tuned, enjoy guys.
This is Renault Grand Scenic. We rented this car from Avis. We had a great and flawless experience from Avis. The car was well maintained and it was in a good condition so that we hadn't faced any problems throughout our rental period. Thanks for Avis to giving this car. Now changing the mode to sports mode to check 0 to 100 km per hour, revving the motor till 6000 rpm and launching the car. Definitely feel the punch of the petrol engine, and this is adaptive cruise control which doesn't steer but it helps to maintain the speed of ongoing car, and it offers lot of spray and cleans the windscreen in a moment. And these are the pretty good cornering lights which help a lot in the night. These are the movable center armrest which is new to see, and the interior of the car is very lovely and it looks like a luxury car, and the second row seats are wide enough to fit 3 people with 60-40 split. It is 1.5 liter turbocharged petrol engine with 110 horsepower and 260 Newton meters of torque. We doesn't feel like driving an SUV and it was very good. So this is the exterior of the car. I definitely love the look of the car because of its grand dimensions and the LEDs playing all over the car, like front, rear, interior, everywhere, and love the front look because of day running lights which is very cool. And important thing is the wheel size. The wheel is phenomenal, having 195, 55 and 20 inches alloy which gives the car a greater look. We are going to see some features. This is one touch electrically operated dashboard, opens automatically, and this is the leg space in the second row which the driver seat is positioned to my driving level. There are 2 secret storage for the second row passenger and the co-passenger at the front. It's a communication mirror. It is having a 6-speed manual gearbox with adaptive cruise control and speed limiter, and it's having front and rear parking sensor with rear parking camera which is pretty good. And the boot carrying capacity is pretty good when we fold the third row seats, and it is very usable when we even close the second row seat. And it has 4 modes like individual, eco, sport and comfort, one touch folding of the second and third row seats which is very handy. And please subscribe to watch more videos like how to fuel the car in France. And that's it guys. Thank you again for Avis to rent this car, and we had a great experience. Bye bye guys.